Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A6 fuel cap. First, make sure your car is unlocked. The fuel flap is located on the right rear side of your Audi A6. Simply press firmly on the rear edge of the fuel flap. It should pop open, revealing the fuel cap. This is the standard method for most Audi A6 models, making refueling quick and easy. Sometimes the electronic release might not work. Don't worry, there's a manual override. Open your trunk and look for a small lever, often green or yellow, near the fuel filler side. Give it a gentle pull. This action will manually release the fuel flap, allowing you to open it and refuel without any hassle. It's a handy backup to know. Once the fuel flap is open, you'll see the actual fuel cap. This cap needs to be unscrewed. Turn it counterclockwise until it's completely loose. Most Audi A6 models have a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel flap where you can place the cap while you're fueling. This prevents it from getting lost or damaged and keeps your hands free. After you've finished refueling, it's time to secure everything. First, screw the fuel cap back on clockwise. You should hear a click, indicating it's properly sealed. Then, gently push the fuel flap closed until it latches securely. Make sure it's flush with the car's body. This ensures your fuel is safe and prevents any issues while driving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.